They want you, but only when you stop wanting them. This isn't love. It's psychological warfare. Reverse psychology isn't a party trick. It's a weapon. And if you understand how it really works, you'll never chase again. Why obsession happens. Obsession isn't created by attention. It's created by interruption. The human mind craves completion, and when a pattern is broken, when something is pulled away before it feels secure, the brain spirals. That's why they keep thinking about you, not because of what you said, but because of what you didn't. Reverse psychology hijacks this impulse. It tells them, you're free to leave, but the subtext is, I don't need you. And that's the bait. People aren't addicted to validation. They're addicted to earning it. The push-pull framework. Here's how it works. Step 1, you give just enough. A compliment, a signal, a moment of warmth. But then, you pull away. Not with drama, not with anger, just silence, distance, indifference. Their brain starts asking questions. Did I mess up? Did I misread that? Why aren't they chasing me? That mental loop is where obsession grows. Step 2, reintroduce interest, strategically. You're not desperate, you're selective. Say, you'd probably get bored of me anyway. What does that do? It creates a paradox. You're rejecting them while inviting them to prove you wrong. That's reverse psychology at its core. Let them think it was their idea to fight for you. Denial as a hook. Step 3, use denial to create value. Say things like, you're not really my type, or you probably wouldn't like someone like me. This isn't self-deprecation, it's controlled disqualification. It creates a gap they want to close. The strongest human impulse, proving ourselves to someone who's almost impressed. You're not begging for attention, you're daring them to earn yours. The silent reward. Step 4, reward without warning. They text you 3 times, you ignore 2, then reply on the 3rd with warmth. They open up emotionally, you go quiet, then drop a compliment out of nowhere. This unpredictability creates dopamine spikes, and that's addiction science. It's not about being cruel, it's about creating contrast, tension, then relief. They'll start chasing that high because it no longer comes on demand. Reversed ownership. Final step, let them think they're in control. Say, you know, you're hard to read, or I never expected to like you this much. Now, they feel powerful, but they're hooked on your perception of them. You've reversed the dynamic. They're owning the chase while thinking it was their choice. That's reverse psychology at its most dangerous. When they think they've won you, it was you pulling strings the whole time. Want more mind games that flip control in your favor? Subscribe, because this isn't dating advice. This is psychological warfare.